Hello, and welcome to the Subby Zone. I am your host, Phil Subby, and this is episode 3, Definition of Polynomials. Okay, let's clear this out. Alright, so a polynomial is a function in the form a sub n f of x equals, just cross that, f of x equals a sub n x to the n power plus a sub n minus 1 to the x of n minus 1 plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0. And that's a lot of stuff, but like it's much more simple than that. Okay, so a of n cannot equal 0, so these ones cannot equal 0. Exponents are whole numbers. So these guys must be whole numbers, half or half an exponent or negative exponent, and coefficients are all real numbers. Alright, so coefficients, these ones, they can't be imaginary. No imaginary stuff in here, okay? This polynomial stuff, okay? Alright, now let's go through this, okay? So, it looks much more complicated than it is, alright? Clear it. Alright, so, so let me write one out for you. So we got 3x to the 4th plus 5x to the 3rd minus 6x squared plus 7x plus 3. Alright, so here, your leading coefficient right here, leading coefficient is 3, and then you notice this is a 4, so this exponent is real and positive and a whole number. Here's your a1x, no coefficient, no exponent, and then here's your a sub 0. And then these are all your a of n's, and these are all your n's. Okay, now, I've been seeing this car outside my window for the last couple days. He comes at about 6 p.m. and he always has his lights on, and he just sits out there for hours, not doing anything. I can't see who's in there, but I know somebody's in there because their lights are on. And I don't know why they're out there. Right? Okay, so we're going to work on degree, okay? So degree. Degree depends on this, the largest exponent. By the way, this is written in standard form. So let me do standard form first. Sorry, this guy is just, I don't understand. So standard form means the largest number first. So it's written in descending order. Descending order. So this is standard form. You got your largest number, which is 3x to the 4th. That's going to be your largest number. And then your second largest number, third, fourth, fifth, right? So descending order, biggest to smallest. Okay, now we'll work on degree. Okay. I really just don't understand what I did. Okay, degree. Okay, now let me put one up again. Okay, so we'll have 4x to the 4th plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so again, standard form. It follows all our rules of polynomial. So we have degrees. Degree is this number, this exponent right here, the biggest exponent. And then it goes 0, which is constant. This is just like f of x equals 1, you know. Okay, 1, constant. 1 would be your linear. So this is like f of x equals 3x plus 1. Okay, exponent is 1 implied, so it's 1. Okay, all right, 2, that's your quadratic. And then that's going to be your quadratic, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now 3 is cubic, which makes sense, right? Cubed, so 3x to the 3rd plus 2x plus 1. You notice I don't have to get every exponent in there. I could even do 3x plus 1, 3x to the 3rd plus 1. All right, 4 is going to be your quartic. Okay, now that's obviously this one. Quarter, like a quarter. I don't understand what he wants from me. You know, I'm a very reasonable person. If you come up to me and talk to me, I can, you know, why wait outside my house? Why do this to me? Weeks we're talking. Okay. So right now I want to just do one last thing. I just want to show, like, okay, if it's written all funky like this, 3x squared plus x plus 2x squared plus 1 plus 3x to the 3rd, you want to write this into standard form, right? So combine like terms, 2x squared and 3x squared makes 5x squared. Put the biggest coefficient first, so that's going to be your 3x to the 3rd, plus 5x squared, and this is going to be the next one, it's x plus 1. Okay? Alright, and that's all I really wanted to do with this part. Next week we'll add and subtract polynomials. Also, if you could give a message to the guy outside of my house or the people that follow me every day, I would just tell them sorry and I'm not willing to play ball.